If you talk to yourself like this, you will have everything. And I do mean everything you want. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you for subscribing. Remember to click the bell icon. We're here almost every day to empower your life with the law of attraction. By the way, hey, have you claimed your 30 minutes free of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching? Look we've helped people in 60 different countries. We can help you too. The money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend upon. lawofattractionsolutions.com. It's not funny at all. Steel is power. Money is power. But of all the things in all the worlds, words are power. That's from author Pierce Brow, and that's a powerful statement. Words are power. How you talk to yourself, what you think about yourself determines what you manifest. If you really knew the power of words in your thoughts and your speech, you would monitor your words with great caution. What we speak is often an expression of what we think and what we feel. But more importantly, those words become affirmations, and oftentimes they can reinforce limiting beliefs, doubts, and fears, and stop us from getting what we truly desire. So, as someone who desires to manifest something special in their life, a special relationship, a specific person, a new job, a better career, more money, better health, you need to understand and completely realize that 90% of all of your manifesting power doesn't come from your conscious mind or from the 3D world. It comes from your subconscious mind. The beliefs you have locked away in your subconscious mind can aid you to get what you want, or those beliefs can stop you. So when your beliefs are in alignment with your thoughts and your intentions and your desires, then you create something very powerful and you start to manifest, because your words become almost magical. They express the inner reality within you, and they literally allow manifestation to begin to happen. But when your words are negative, well, you attract more of that negativity and those limiting beliefs. When we begin to speak positive words because we have positive beliefs and positive thoughts, when we do that, our emotions catch up, and all of a sudden we're in an emotional state where we emotionalize the outcome that we desire, and we begin to feel it in our body, but more importantly, in our energy field. And that's how we connect to the infinite field, and that's how we manifest. The key to successful manifesting is to understand that everything in your reality originated in your subconscious mind. So what are those beliefs in your subconscious mind that create your reality? First, beliefs about yourself, your self-concept, beliefs about others, beliefs about your reality, beliefs about your potential, beliefs about what is your truth, what is true for you, beliefs about everything and anything. You see, what happens is we begin to create patterns of beliefs. If those patterns of beliefs are contrary to what you desire, what you deeply want to manifest in your life, well, your thoughts and your words and your feelings will work against you. In other words, you'll begin to attract the opposite of what you desire. So what do we call this? We call this a counterintention. Your conscious mind is going in this direction, but your subconscious mind is pushing it in the opposite direction. Have you ever wondered why sometimes things start to go good and then all of a sudden it's like the floor just drops out from underneath you and things start to go bad? And you go, what happened? Everything was starting to go good. Our relationship was starting to get better. I was starting to make more money. I was feeling better. Then all of a sudden, all hell breaks loose. That's a counterintention. That's your subconscious mind holding on to old beliefs, old thoughts, old words, negative self-talk, which leads to negative emotions and feelings. As co-creator of your reality, you have the ability to choose the reality that you desire to live. So here's a few things that will help you with this self-talk and with reprogramming your subconscious mind so that all of you, your conscious mind, your subconscious, your thoughts, your feelings are all moving in the same direction. Stop giving power to the 3D world. Look, everything that you see right now, everything that's in your world, that third party, that bill that came in the mail, whatever it is, you have attracted or created at some level. Now, you may not realize that. You may say, come on, Robert, I only think positive thoughts, but you're only thinking positive thoughts with your conscious mind. You have to reprogram your subconscious mind. That gives you control over the matrix, so to speak, and you begin to change the 3D reality, and all of a sudden you start seeing a new reality. Number 2, create your own inner world. Make your own inner world more important than the outer world, especially if they're not congruent, if they don't match. If you're not happy with the outer world, start creating that inner world. Live that inner world, especially as you fall asleep every night. Live in the end. See the results of a life and of energy and of vitality moving in the right direction, moving in the direction that you desire. And as you fall asleep, feel it. Feel yourself living your perfect life, living the life that you desire, and speak to yourself. Yes, this is happening. Yes, this is taking place. This is my life. I am abundant. I am wealthy. I am happy. I am fulfilled. I feel good about my relationship. I feel good about my life. I feel excellent about my health. Allow those thoughts to matriculate into the emotions and feelings state. Number 3, talk to your subconscious mind all the time, using affirmations, using visualization, and emotionalizing. And here are some different ways you can create different affirmations to reach different aspects of your energy field. Start an affirmation with the word I am. I am happy. I am in love. I am loved. I feel happy. I feel successful. I feel wealthy. I do know that money is coming to me easily. I do accept that love is filling my life. I do always act with health and vitality. I love the feeling of love. I love the fact that I have a great relationship. I love the fact that I'm abundant and attracting money. I love the fact that I'm living in a beautiful home. I only talk to myself in positive words. I only talk to others in empowering language. I only speak or talk about love as one who has already received it. I only speak or talk about abundance as one who has already received it. I can see myself as wealthy because I am. I can see myself in a committed relationship because I am. I can see myself as happy and healthy and vibrant. I understand that only good things are flowing into my life. I understand that money's too easy to make. I understand that my relationship is coming together no matter what I see in the 3D world. In other words, high flyers, be creative with your affirmations. Allow your affirmations to speak to every part of who you are. Number 4, only speak words of empowerment. Now, I know that there are some people who will put a big, thick rubber band on their wrist, and every time they catch themselves speaking negatively about themselves, about a situation, about other people, they'll snap that rubber band. That works for some people, but I think if you just monitor yourself and correct yourself, in other words, when you say something negative about yourself or your situation, pause for a moment and say, let me correct that. Here's what I feel. Here's what I see. Here's what I understand. Here's what I am. You're putting an affirmation in its place, so to speak. Well, number 5 is love yourself unconditionally. You know, you're all you got, baby. I mean, really. So you can choose to dislike yourself, or you can choose to love yourself. As you love yourself, you will constantly find yourself feeling better about the world around you, and that attracts more of what you desire, especially money, abundance, love, happiness, and health. Love yourself unconditionally. Now, no matter what you have in your life, no matter how many good things are taking place in your life, it's always nice to have more abundance and more money. I created a special 33-minute audio that if you will listen to it every day, you will quickly notice money and abundance flowing into your life. It's coming up next. Check it out.